Hi, today I'll show you how to create Cyberpunk effect in an easy and quick way just in Photoshop. First, click your adjustment icon and select color balance. Redo red to -38, green to -32, and increase yellow to 35 to create this look. Create hue saturation adjustment layer. Choose red channel. Decrease hue to -28. Move to green channel. Adjust hue to -28. Cyan channel. Adjust hue to -25. Blue channel. Hue -28. Magenta channel. Hue -43. Create vibrance adjustment layer. Increase vibrance to 39 to enhance colors in the photo. Add a bit of contrast to the image with curve adjustment layer. Decrease shadow and increase highlight. Create color lookup adjustment layer. Drop down menu in 3D LUT file and choose 2-trip look. Decrease the opacity to 20%. Using level adjustment to darken black areas by increasing black to 11. We're done with the Cyberpunk look. Let's add a text to the photo for decoration. Use text tool, select font and style. I'll use row range font in this case. Type out the text. Ctrl T to expand and adjust its position. To open character window, go to Window, Character. Add italic and underline style to the text. Ctrl T, right-click to the text and choose Skew. Now drag the top right corner up just like this. Expand the text a little bit. Duplicate it with Ctrl J. Move the copy layer slightly on the right to make it double layers. Click to FX icon and select blending options. Uncheck red channel to make the text into cyan. In single layer, open blending options. Uncheck blue and green channels to make it turn to red. Hope that you like this video. Hit like and leave comment in case you want me to clarify something on this clip. Thanks for watching.